Hi, so I'm going to explain the code which has been given in the Cassandra Java tutorial. So there are two classes which we have created as part of these tutorials. Now I'm going to explain the first one, which is getting started on Java. So what we're doing is we are creating the cluster and session variables, and a session variable is used to connect to the key space, which is demo, and the key space has been created in the Cassandra SQL shell, and we have also created a database table called users. So first we'll see the insert query. So we are inserting these values in the table. These are the columns which are in the database table. So when we select, when we give a select statement for the table, we get the row. And next is the update statement. So what we are doing here is we are updating the age to 36 wherever the last name is Jones. In the insert query, given we had inserted a row where the last name is Jones and the first name is Bob. So when we run the select query again, we can see that in the row the age has been updated to 36. And now we'll run the delete query. So delete query, what we do is wherever the last name is Jones, we are deleting all those rows. So that condition is satisfied, the row will be deleted. So now when we run the select query, you can see that the row has been deleted. So now we'll go to the second class. So in this, the only difference between this and the previous class is that we are adding a retry policy and a load balancing policy. What retry policy does is it retries query in case if there's a timeout and the query has not run initially. And load balancing policy, it balances the load on all the nodes. And DC aware round robin policy makes sure that the node remains in the local data center. One more difference is that for running the queries, we have used a prepared statement. And the reason for using a prepared statement is that this is more secure and it prevents from SQL injection. So now we'll run the insert query. After this, when we run the select query, we can see that the row has been inserted. And now again, we are updating just the age for Bob in that row. So when we run the update query, we can see that the age will be updated to 36. We run the select query, so the age has been updated to 36. And then when we run the delete query is to delete all rows where the last name is equal to Jones. So the only row in the database table currently has the last name as Jones, so that row will be deleted. So we'll run the code. And when we run the select query, we can see that the database table does not have any rows. So that's it. Thank you.